Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add friends on Monopoly Go using your mobile device. So first of all, open your Monopoly Go application to get started. Wait until your game loads up and make sure to log into your account. Once you're signed into the account, go ahead and tap on the friends icon at the bottom right hand corner. You will be able to see three options in the display: Add Friends, Timeline, and Leaderboard. To add a friend from the Add Friends list, tap on the Add button right next to a friend. You can keep adding more friends as you like. If you want to invite to one of your friends from your contacts, tap on the Contacts tab at the bottom left. Tap on Add Contacts and add in your mobile number so that you can sync in with your contact list from your mobile phone and send your friend an invitation link. You can also tap on the Invite button at the bottom right. In order to add your Facebook friends or any of your friends, tap on the Facebook invite link at the bottom in order to add your Facebook friends on Monopoly Go. Tap on the Send button right next to your friend in order to send them an invitation link to join into the game. Once they accept your invitation, you will be able to add them as your friend on Monopoly Go. You can also tap on the orange Invite button and select one of your friends from the display or choose one of the social media applications and send in a friend request to your friend by choosing from the list. Once you send them the request, they will have to accept the invitation with the link that you sent, and you will be able to add them to your friend list on Monopoly Go. So that's how you will be able to add a friend on Monopoly Go within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.